my channel, it's Danny, and if you're a new subscriber, hello, lovely to meet you. So it is almost the end of summer, so I thought I'd better play catch up a little bit and do a everyday summer makeup. I haven't been wearing too much this summer actually, just with everything that's going on, but I've got some really good news for you guys. Mike is home from hospital, he's doing really well, and he says thank you so much for all the lovely wishes that you've sent, and hopefully everything will be getting back on track for us very, very soon. So I'm a little bit happier, as you can see. So yes, so I hope you're all having a lovely summer. If you're in the UK, the weather's been a bit strange, hasn't it? A bit up and down, but we've got some lovely sunshine again now. And if you're in the rest of the world, hello to you too, and hope you're enjoying your summer. So today is going to be all Bobbi Brown products. As you guys know, it's my one true love, next to Mike. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, an everyday summer look. I'm just going to do a get ready with me because I'm going out. So this is my pretty much everyday, quick and easy summer makeup. Hope you enjoy it, using Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. Face done. Okay, so that is my base done, and I'm just going to move on to bronzer and blush. Okay, so that is my bronzer and cheeks done. Brows done. This is lip colour in True Rose. And on top I'm going to be putting a lip gloss, and that's in Nude. Next I'm going to put a little bit of glow stick on, and that is my highlighter, and I'm using Sunkissed. lost my favourite one. It fell out of the pan. What I've just done is taken this colour here, which is Fever Dream. I've taken this colour, which is Fever Dream, and just pressed it onto the lid. I'm taking this colour here and doing the same. Just give it a little blend. I'm sorry, that colour is infrared. And this is the infrared colour. Just blending that out. I'm just going to take a little bit of Solar Flame, start colour here. Small amount. Next I'm going to use a perfectly defined gel eyeliner in Scotch. So there we go, my everyday quick and easy summer makeup using all Bobbi Brown cosmetics. Haven't really got any new products from Bobbi recently. I really do need to pop down to Bobbi Brown Southampton and see the girls and do a shop. I'm hoping I'm going to have some really exciting news to tell you all soon. So that will be a nice chance to celebrate and do that. So I really need to pop down there and have a look at what they've got, and I'm sure they've got some very exciting things coming up now heading into autumn and Christmas, especially Christmas. Bobbi is just awesome at Christmas, so I'm very excited for that. As always, I have loved using the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. I can't tell you enough how many times I've used this on my brides and myself this summer. It's just become my #1 go-to foundation, really. Really nice to go back to the Shimmer Brick, and that's the original Shimmer Brick in bronze, just in a smaller version. Still my favourite, absolutely in love with that still. And as you would have seen in the video, it's multi-use. I used it as a bronzer, I used it as a highlighter, shimmer, I used it as a highlighter under my brow, I used it as eyeshadow. It's one of those products, if you're going away for the weekend, pop it in your makeup bag, it's multi-use, it's fab. The glow sticks are really nice for summer. They give you a really sort of fresh, pretty, dewy glow, which is just a bit different to using a powder. I really like that for summer. And again, it's really nice to use on the body. Eye-opening mascara, probably. I've tried some new mascaras recently, but this has to always be my favourite. The two eyeshadow palettes, I've used the infrared eyeshadow palette again and the Haute Nudes collection. They're both from this year, so you might still be able to get them on counter or online, so do try. But this colour, especially the infrared, so I used the Champagne Toast from the Haute Nudes as the base, and the ivory under the brow, and then I've used a mix of the infrared palette on the lid. It's just perfect. The burnt oranges and the golden colours are perfect for summer, so I'm still loving that palette to death. This is pretty much me. This is my favourite type of makeup to do. Quite a statement eye, but not quite as dramatic as I would go for an evening. A fairly neutral lip, flawless foundation, natural brow, long lashes, and really, really glossy or lots of highlighter on the skin. That's basically me, and that's what I've been doing this summer, and that's what I've kind of been loving. Lots of new products to show you soon, and I think coming up I've got a video for, I think I'm going to do a video on back to school, whether it's uni or school or college. I'm going to do a video on that. I've got a Lush haul coming up, lots of exciting things, and like I said, Mike is home from hospital now, so thank you very much for all your good wishes for him. He's doing great. My brave man is doing amazing, and things are hopefully going to be looking up for us very soon. And as you can see, the smile is back. I'm not feeling as stressed, I'm much happier, and I just can't thank you all enough for your support this summer. I know the videos haven't been up as regularly as I was hoping they would be, but I'm really hoping now. So, also, I'm no longer in the NHS. It's not really a yay or a whoop whoop moment really, because it's the end of a 15-year career, which is sad. My health just can't take it anymore, the long days and the stress and everything else. But do you know what? I gave it a bloody good shot. I worked so hard to graduate, being dyslexic and dyspraxic and just me really. I worked really hard to graduate, and I will always be proud that I did it, and I've worked really hard. So what more can I say? And as long as I felt really bad that I was letting my family down, but you know, they've just all been so wonderful and supportive, as have my friends, and I don't think I have let anybody down. I think I have done my best. I've done my best. I've really tried. But it leaves more time for makeup and YouTube and photo, and you know what? I spent a long time being a little bit not embarrassed or ashamed, but lots of people have put me down in the past for wanting to make makeup a career. I'm not going to let that happen anymore, because I'm bloody good at it and I love it. So I'm going to make that a focus. But I do have some news I hope to share with you all soon. Obviously we're going to continue on our IVF journey, a really long way to go, and I don't know that we're going to be having a baby anytime soon, but we are not giving up. We are going to keep trying, and we'll take you along with us on that journey as well. I can't thank you all enough for your support. Every subscription means the world. This is just me, this is my life, this is my little channel. You'll see us on our Tudor adventures, on our history adventures, just on me and Mike being me and Mike, going here, there and everywhere on little weekends and trips and holidays. Lots of makeup and our IVF journey as well. But if you want to come along with my little life, you're more than welcome, and welcome to the... And thanks for watching, guys, and if you do like the videos, please give them a thumbs up and let me know you like them. Let me know in the comments if there's any videos you'd like to see. We're going into Halloween soon, so I've got to really start thinking about what videos I can film for that. I'm not very good at scary ones, so it kind of has to be pretty or nothing, like Pretty Witch. So sorry about that. I will try and come up with some ideas for Halloween, and I'll get them filmed so they can go up ready for October. It's been a busy summer, hasn't it, guys? Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Daniela_Logan_makeup, and I hope you're liking the new intro, and I think things are really on the up, guys. I think things are going to be okay from now on. Wishing you all a lovely end of summer and start of autumn, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.